never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
This is Insta360 X3 camera, which is capable of shooting 360 footages. But the question is this camera suitable for motovlogging? Can we use this camera to motovlog? Or is GoPro better and simpler than this? Which one should we choose over the other if we cannot have both at the same time? Can this camera get the job done, or should we stick around with GoPro? To answer all those questions, obviously we'll be trying and testing this camera while motovlogging, and I'll also be taking other types of footages, and from there the things will get clearer. We'll also talk about good things and bad things about this camera, whether this camera is really suitable for motovlogging and for normal vlogging purposes. All these things are coming up in the video, so stay tuned. There is one underutilized feature in this camera, which is 4K single lens mode. Obviously when people buy this camera, purchase this camera, the main reason is its ability to shoot incredible looking 360 footages. But however, you don't have to shoot every time in 360 because it supports single lens mode, which gives us that traditional action camera first person view in 4K quality. One thing you need to understand in 360 mode, since the camera is sharing two frames of 180 degree each, the overall quality, video quality might not be the best one, but that can be resolved with single lens mode. It offers you very good 4K quality videos. While motovlogging, you can use this helmet mount your camera, use mic to attach your external mic, hide your mic inside the helmet so that there is no wind noise, and you can easily motovlog and share your thoughts while on the go. Okay, so right now I'm in this is your palace of Gangtok, the back side. फ्रंट साइड का वो जो गेट है वो दूसरी तरफ है, मैं आपको थोड़ा देर में दिखाऊंगा। तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ अभी। सो आगे आपका हो गया ये सेक्रेटरीट। तो बेसिकली बात करते हैं कैमरा का जो क्वालिटी है, यू नो 360 डिग्री का जो फुटेज होता है ना, उसका क्वालिटी उतना बढ़िया नहीं होता है, बिकॉज 360 डिग्री जिसका जो रेजोल्यूशन दिया है, इसका हाईएस्ट रेजोल्यूशन वो है आपका 5K, सो 5.7K होगा शायद। सो थोड़ा क्वालिटी कम होता है इफ़ यू कंपेयर विद GoPro। सो वीडियो का क्वालिटी कंपेयर है, लेकिन अच्छी बात क्या है कि व्हेन यू आर शूटिंग इन 360 डिग्री मोड, यू कैन क्रॉप योर वीडियो एज़ पर योर लाइकिंग। आप अगर उसको यूट्यूब में पोस्ट कर रहे हो तो उसको 16:9 का रेशियो दे के आप क्रॉप कर सकते हो, और अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम में रील्स वगैरह या यूट्यूब में शॉर्ट्स वगैरह अगर आप डालना चाहते हो तो अगेन 9:16 करके आप मतलब लैंडस्केप और पोर्ट्रेट में स्विच कर सकते हो आराम से, विदाउट आपका जो क्वालिटी होता है ना वीडियो का वो एकदम बरकरार रहेगा। Without losing any quality, you can easily switch over your lenses. So अभी मैं पहुंच चुका हूँ। देखिए पीछे, अभी मैं पैलेस का पीछे था, अभी ये है आपका पैलेस का गेट, राइट, द फ्रंट एंट्रेंस। लेकिन यहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है पब्लिक को जाने के लिए, इवन टूरिस्ट आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो फ्रॉम हियर। सो ये है आपका पैलेस एरिया। सो या okay, so the main USP of the camera is its ability to shoot in 360 degree mode. It can take some incredible looking 360 footages. In 360 footage, the camera is shooting in all directions, behind, in front, in left and right, and up and down, so you don't have to worry about the camera angles. What you need is some accessories like camera mount for your motorcycle and a selfie stick, which is normally called an invisible selfie stick, because later on in post-production you can the camera will magically erase both selfie stick and the camera mount, and it will not appear in your footage. So after this, it's just up to you, whatever you want to show in your video, whatever and whichever angle you want your camera to point out, you can do it very easily by reframing it in your post-production using Insta 360 app. So after that, the camera will do its job and shoot footages in some incredible looking angles. Your viewers will even wonder that how you are possible to take shots like that, and this will help you to make your video very interesting. So check this out, guys.
Competent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off.
Okay, right now I'm shooting in 5.7K 24 FPS, and this is the camera's internal mic. I haven't used any external mic, so I'm not even yelling or trying to be louder. I'm just talking in a normal voice, and this is how it sounds.
If I got a vendetta against
you can also use this camera to shoot in different moods. Some of these moods are already there straight out of the camera, and some other moods you can get it easily in its studio app and mobile app. All these moods will help you to make your video more interesting and help you to gain your audience attention. You can easily shoot videos like time-lapse, time-shifts. Time-lapse video is the one where camera will be placed at one fixed point and then it will continuously take photographs every second, and time shift is moving hyperlapse, which can be edited and applied in your video. You also have modes like this, which is called time flip, and this one is called street lapse. This is called spin around me effect. Here the camera seems like spinning around you while you change location. This camera also has an ability to take good quality slow motion videos. The highest resolution you get is 4K, and then you can go up to 120 FPS, which takes really very good slow motion videos. This is called bullet time effect. Here the camera spins around you slowly in slow motion. For this you need to have an accessory called bullet time cord. This one's called me mode. In me mode, the camera lens essentially tracks you as a main subject in the footage. The frame is adjusted in such a way that no matter which way you point the camera, the focus is always on you. It is really helpful if you want to keep yourself in the center of the frame. Okay everyone, so if you're watching till here, now you must have already understood that this camera can be used for motovlogging as well as to create some awesome looking footages and some creative looking shots. So in conclusion, I just want to tell you guys that if you are looking for a 360 camera with possibility of taking some cool looking creative shots and footages, then definitely this is the camera, the best one available for you guys. So you can go ahead, purchase this one rather than just purchasing a normal action camera like GoPro. But do understand one thing guys, that if you are planning to take this camera, you should be prepared for a little bit of hard work in post-production, because this camera takes up a lot of time of editing. First you have to edit it in the camera's app itself, reframe the footage as per your liking, and then again take the footages that has already been reframed and use another software, another video editing software to finally create your long video. So it will take a little bit of effort in editing, so that is a drawback that you must be prepared if you are taking this 360 camera. And then regarding this camera, another thing is that when you're doing editing process, the camera will heat up the heating issues are there, but it is manageable. And plus battery backup is just good enough. You can easily create one video with the full charge of the battery. But if you are creating a very long video, then either you need extra batteries or you need a cable to charge this camera on the go when you are recording. And other than that, the camera is very good. The picture quality that you might be able to see right now, it's a little bit dark. So the ambient right now is a little bit dark. Still, it can yield good enough footages. So definitely you can go ahead and purchase this camera. So that's it guys in the video. I don't want to extend it very long. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have got any doubts and queries or any questions regarding the camera, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try and reach you out and reply to your questions. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it with others. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. That's it in the video this time. I'll see you guys very soon with the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, ride safe, and see you again.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,